O, alam ba yung Korea?
Gangnam Style?
Just to hear it. Ano? Naririnig lang ninyo, okay? Okay. Because they hear it, they can hear that Korea is very familiar. Yeah. Okay.
For 4 days, we are gonna learn about a lot of things.
Okay. Sa 4 na araw, magkakaroon sila ng matututo kayo ng maraming bagay. Sila ang magtuturo sa inyo.
Music, art, dance, science.
Okay, music, art, and science.
From now on, our class is Lupi.
Okay. Magmula ngayon, ang lesson na ituturo ay
Lupi.
loop.
You may call us Lupi.
Okay. Lupi, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yun. Sige, we have to read what is that loop means.
It's character in Poro. Poro?
Orunapa.
You
know this character?
Yeah, Korean.
Yes. I was ready. Yung i-friend mga friend, mga art. It's a part of art. Okay?
If you need any help or question, call Lupi.
Okay. So, mayroon kayong gustong matutunan, kailangan nyo matutunan, or kailangan nyo na, halimbawa, magpatulong kayo, pwede kayong patulong.